Am I a bad son? 3 years ago when I was 12, I made my mum this pen holder for Christmas, but I didn't have the right tools, so I gave it to her half finished. Wonky cuts, burn marks and splinters everywhere, and every single year since then, I promised I'd finish it properly. Well, I finally got the tools, so let's fix it. First up, I took it to my miter saw and cut both edges square. No more wonky sides. Then straight to the thicknesser to flatten everything out and make it smooth. The old cuts were all over the place because 12-year-old me was using a handsaw and just hoping for the best. By the way, if you want to support the channel, the best way is to subscribe. Or if you're an absolute legend, grab one of my homemade pens from the link in the description.